Hi, and welcome to my very first tutorial on hard surface modeling in Fusion 360. This tutorial is designed to cater to people of all skill levels, whether you have prior experience with parametric modeling or have never touched a 3D software package before. The footage is a mix of real-time instruction and sped-up footage with voiceover commentary to ensure that you don't get bored as tasks get repetitive. We'll start by going over some core concepts of 3D modeling before diving into the basic functions and tools within Fusion 360. Then we'll apply those basics to model a Go Stewart platform, more commonly known as a Hexapod robot. Topics covered will include industrial design, components and assemblies, building reusable parts for custom kitbash libraries, basic pain-free rigging, exploded views, and more. Then we'll jump into Keyshot, where we'll cover not only how to achieve realism in your renders, but also workflow tips to optimize speed, efficiency, and quality while keeping render times to an absolute minimum. Finally, we'll go over compositing render passes and finalizing your design presentation. You'll also be able to learn from my mistakes and watch as I troubleshoot problems I encountered during the modeling process, which you might run into as well. Proceeds made from this tutorial will go to the continuing veterinary care of my kittens, 2 of whom have had recurring infections and require expensive medical treatment. So not only would you be purchasing a tutorial with over 10 hours worth of video content, but you would be supporting a great cause as well. Whether you're new to Fusion 360 or an experienced power user, I hope you're able to find value in this tutorial. I had a great time making it, and I hope you enjoy watching it.